So hi, today I just had my new delivery. I just want to show it's already evening, but I'm just excited to open it. So with Atomy, we're using to go. See, it says to go and it says fragile. So that means your products are always protected. And again, when you open it, you will see a receipt. So just check that the items are correct. Okay. So right now, I just bought a couple of things. I always buy the dish liquid because I need this for my kitchen. And today I also bought, I'm trying to test the new items. These are the hand cream. And then I just bought probiotics, one for me, one for my husband. And this is a gift for my brother because it's going to be his birthday soon. And this one is my Café Arabica. I always skip this because I do have a brewer. I love strong coffee, but there are days when I just want just the right amount, and I take this. So that's it. I just want to show you what I bought today, and I hope you're buying yours too.